The Wellbeing and Resilience Practitioner course from Gateway Workshops is a practical and professional online training course open to anyone. This course arms you with the tools and knowledge to become a qualified practitioner in wellbeing and resilience. Dealing with stress is a battle most people face in their daily lives, and if this stress isn't recognised and rectified, it can have a huge negative effect on our health and well-being. This qualification provides you with some great techniques and practices to help improve not only your own well-being, but the well-being of others too. And as this course is approved, accredited, and professionally recognised, you may use this qualification to further your offerings and charge for your services. The 14 modules of this course cover topics such as: define wellness, well-being, and resilience. Understand mental health and mental health risk factors. Understand stress, consequences of stress, and be able to identify distress behaviours. Use practical ways to support well-being and help build resilience in children, young people, and adults. All this and much more. You can learn from the comfort of your own home at your own pace. You will have full tutor support throughout and unlimited access to your very own personal learning platform. This makes learning flexible and convenient. So why not train with an award-winning school, boasting a proven track record, extremely high standards, and expert tutors? Choose the Wellbeing and Resilience Practitioner course today and take steps to help make a meaningful and powerful impact on people's lives. We offer massage, beauty, and spiritual courses at our venues across London and the rest of the UK, including Scotland and Ireland. And we also offer many online courses too. Gateway Workshops, the gateway to your potential.